One Virginia senator is championing a bill to limit prescription drug costs. So far, it does not have bipartisan support.
Dominga Murray introduces us to one young woman who says if it becomes law, her life could change for the better.
Without this medication, I simply wouldn't be able to survive.
Mara Shapiro lives with Crohn's and Addison's disease.
And I'll need to be on medication for the rest of my life in order to keep it in check.
25th District Senator Creed Deeds is working to make that possible for people like Mara.
Well, some people have to pay exorbitant amounts for the drugs that they need to live.
He's co-patron on a bill that would set a cap on prescription drug costs and create a governor-appointed board of people to make decisions on pricing.
So I've known friends of mine that have had issues with their insurance, or haven't been able to afford their medication. They have to stop the drug, and then when they're able to restart it, it doesn't work as well, and then they have to abandon that therapy altogether.
Taking Stelara through a self-injection keeps her Crohn's disease in remission. Salucortef is the medication Mara takes to manage Addison's, an autoimmune disease. It sends cortisol into her body through a pump. If she loses access to it, she would lose her life.
It's very similar to how a type 1 diabetic needs insulin to survive. And so while the prices of the Salucortef medication aren't as astronomically high as the Stelara is, there's still a significant cost burden, I would say, because there's no alternative. I don't have any other option other than this one particular drug. So for example, if the price of Salucortef were to triple tomorrow, I'd have no other option and have to pay that because it keeps me alive.
Here you can see the price tag on Stelara is upwards of 20 grand, which sometimes insurance companies are hesitant to pay. Mara says refilling is concerning. The fear of an insurance company dropping a medication like Salucortef, which there's no generic for, can be a nightmare.
When you are going through that process, is there ever any worry like this month could be the month?
Oh yeah, every single time.
Deeds says there's a lot of work to get this bill passed in the House of Delegates.
I've been told that the governor doesn't support this measure. I expect this bill to be significantly changed or to have extreme difficulty getting passed in the House of Delegates. But this shouldn't be a partisan issue. Bringing down costs for Virginians ought to be something we all care about.